All right, guys. So here is a clip of the Past Labs XS300s. As I mentioned to you guys, they have been on for about 6 days right now. So they should be where they need to be in terms of tonality. Again, this is probably not the best scenario of what things sound like in my room, but some of you guys wanted to hear a little bit of it and see if you are able to tell the differences between both amplifiers. So I'm going to play about 15, 20 seconds of the XS300s, and then the next cut of the same song will be the Momentum M400s.
Troubles were sharing, trouble with that dress that's as black as my heart on this train. Troubles were sharing, trouble with those lips that's as red as the blood in my veins. Trouble, you know it. Trouble, soft talking.
Okay, guys, so here is you're going to hear the Momentums right now. Same song, volume level is the same. So let's hit it.
Troubles were sharing, trouble with that dress that's as black as my heart on this train. Troubles were sharing, trouble with those lips that's as red as the blood in my veins. Trouble, you know it. Trouble, soft talking.
And there you have it. I don't know if you guys are going to be able to tell any differences, but I can certainly hear the differences here. Very, very apparent. What I can tell you is, very different tonalities. They're both amazing amplifiers. I could be happy with either amplifier here, to be quite honest. They're both amazing. They both have so many great attributes. They one is obviously class A, the other one is class AB, and I think a lot of it has to do with the type of music you play as well. I mean, I think that there are some songs I can actually choose the M400s over the XS300s, but in other times, it's the opposite effect. So it's a difficult, proposition. However, I can tell you that the meat on the bones that the XS300 has is definitely very apparent in the room. I mean, you can hear more grip. You feel the grip on the woofers. You feel the room pressurize a little more, and that's the design of the amplifier. I had a couple of friends come over just now. They just left. It was pretty much like a split decision between both. I mean, but they were both in agreement with me. It's a very difficult thing because we heard about 10 to 15 different songs, different types of music, and in one song it would be one, the other song would be the M400, and it's really Coke and Pepsi. That's all I can tell you. I mean, it's really hard. I still prefer the XS300s, as I mentioned. I think it's the amplifier for me. It does a lot for me and what my future plans are, with perhaps another set of speakers or cabling or power cords. I'm just I just it's a gut feeling that I think it's going to serve me better for the long haul. But anyway, here's the video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Hopefully you guys got a little bit of an idea of what each amplifier does. And I forgot to mention that the next video that I do, I'm actually going to be using Nordos Odin 1 XLR. So that will be my first time, the first time that I try the XLR Odin. I've always used Wire World Platinum or Cardus, which is what I'm using right now. So I'm excited to try finally the entire Nordos Loom in system. Let me think what else. Yeah, and so we will see. Will the momentum stay? Are they going to go? I haven't really decided that, but who knows? Who knows what will happen here? All right, guys, please subscribe. Thank you for your time again, and more things to come.